Welcome to the RMail Features Explained video short series on RMail's registered receipt authentication. All RMail messages return to the sender a registered receipt email as their self-contained, durable, and verifiable proof record. Let's take a look at how to verify the receipt in the event there are questions regarding the delivery, content, or time of the RMail message. At the top of the receipt, you will see a special verification address. It is important to forward the receipt to that address along with the HTML attachment in place. Cryptographically sealed inside this attachment is the data required to prove the receipt's authenticity and proof of delivery, content, and time. Once the receipt is submitted by RPost, the RPost system processes the receipt and sends back to the submitter a receipt authentication, which looks very similar to the registered receipt email, but it does break down the email into its components. And those components are the SMTP logs recording the delivery of the email, as well as the DSN records, the MUA records and the HTTP records recording that the message was opened and the time at which it was opened, and of course, the original email received by the recipient. All of these logs and records are designed to give you the upper hand if there's ever a dispute involving email.